Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa isang impersonation scam na ang pangalan ay Valero Energy Corporation Philippines. Yan po ay isa na namang impersonation scam tulad po ng CCO Media, DFA Cow at iba pang mga companies. Kaya mga kababayan, iwasan na po ninyo yung Valero Energy Corporation Philippines at kung kayo po ay nakapag-invest na dyan, humingi na po kayo na refund at mag-withdraw na po kayo. This is to inform the public that Valero Energy Corporation Philippines is not authorized to solicit investments from the public and appears to impersonate Valero Energy Corporation, an American Fortune 500 petroleum and energy company whose shares are traded at NYSE. This advisory is prompted by reports received and information gathered by the Commission that individuals or group of persons are enticing the public through social media platforms to invest in the fake Valero Energy Corporation Philippines. As posted on its social media platform, Facebook page, and its website, you can register as one of their investors. As advertised by the fraudulent Valero Energy Corporation Philippines, the company is allegedly engaged in petroleum business offering a co-partnership program to the public. After the interested investor has signed up in its website, he or she is then presented an investment contract in the guise of co-partnership under the name of Valero Energy Corporation, a legitimate petroleum and energy company headquartered in San Antonio, Texas, USA. Mga kababayan, dapat po maging maingat tayo lalo na kapag ang in-offer ay co-partnership dahil marami po ngayong mga companies ay nag-o-offer po ng co-partnership at ang pangakong kitaan ay too good to be true at may mga packages silang ino-offer. Kaya po mga kababayan, kailangan maging maingat at mag-research po bago po kayo mag-invest. Kailangan po i-check nyo po kung legit ba talaga yung company dahil marami po ang mga impersonation scams ngayon katulad po ng Valero Energy Corporation Philippines. At dapat po meron din po silang secondary license bago po sila manghingi or mag-offer ng investment sa publiko. Katulad din po na ibang mga companies, ang Valero Energy Corporation Philippines ay nag-o-offer po ng mga too good to be true na mga investment schemes at meron nga daw silang 3 ways to earn. Ang una daw ay yung Econophil Collective na ang pangakong kitaan daw daily ay 0.8% o total of 28% for 160 days. Yung pangalawa ay yung Fuel Share Elite na 1% daily interest or 40% per annum for 140 days. At pangatlo, yung Petro Platinum Partners na 1.2% daily interest at ang total daw na kita sa loob ng 120 days ay 44%. Diyan pa lang po mga kababayan, makikita nyo na too good to be true ang pangakong kitaan dyan sa impersonation scam na Valero Energy Corporation Philippines. At hinahype lang yung mga members para nga mag-invest at para mag-recruit. Pero kapag naabot na nila yung quota nila, maglalaho po yan. Dahil yung Valero Energy Corporation Philippines po ay isa pong peking kumpanya dahil impersonation scam po yan. Records of the Commission show that Valero Energy Corporation Philippines is not registered with the Commission as a corporation or a partnership. Likewise, said entity is not authorized to solicit investments from the public as it has not secured prior registration and or license from the Commission to engage in such activity as prescribed under Sections 8 and 28 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC. Based on verification conducted, the fake or bogus Valero Energy Corporation Philippines is not in any way related to or affiliated with Valero Energy Corporation of Texas, USA or any of its subsidiaries or affiliates. Thus, the acts of Valero Energy Corporation Philippines of offering unregistered securities to the public in the form of investment contracts in the guise of a co-partnership is considered fraudulent in violation of Sections 8, 26, and 28 of the Securities Regulation Code. Further, the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act or FCPA specifically provides that any form of deceptive solicitation such as offering or selling of investment scheme to the public without a secondary license or permit from the Commission constitute investment fraud and is an unlawful activity in violation of Section 11 of the said Act. Accordingly, the Commission warns all unscrupulous individuals and or entities that strict penalties are imposed for violations of the Securities Regulation Code, the Revised Corporation Code of the Philippines, and such other laws, rules, and regulations enforced by the Commission. At babala po para doon sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents, representatives, promoters, uplines, recruiters, influencers, endorsers, and enablers of Valero Energy Corporation Philippines in selling or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme being offered by said entity, including solicitations and recruitment through the internet, may be prosecuted and held criminally liable under Section 28 of the SRC and Section 11 of the FCPA, and for the two offenses, both are penalized separately with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or penalty of 21 years of imprisonment or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. In view thereof, the public is advised not to invest or stop investing in any investment scheme being offered by Valero Energy Corporation Philippines as well as to any other entities having the same or similar schemes, and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments or recruiting investors for and on behalf of Valero Energy Corporation Philippines. Kung meron po kayo impormasyon tungkol po sa investment solicitation activities ng kahit na sinong individual o grupo ng individual on behalf of Valero Energy Corporation Philippines, ay pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong report sa Enforcement and Investor Protection Department ng Securities and Exchange Commission sa kanilang email na epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong November 14, 2023. Mga kababayan, dapat po maging maingat tayo dahil marami po ang mga lumilitaw na mga investment scams, mga Ponzi scams, mga pyramiding scams at mga impersonation scams. Lalo na po, papalapit na po ang Kapaskuhan at marami rin po ang magtatakbuhan ngayong papalapit na po ang Kapaskuhan. Dapat po, bago po kayo sumali sa kahit na anong investment, dapat po mag-research kayo at i-verify nyo kung sila ba ay legit at may secondary license, at dapat po i-verify po ninyo sa Securities and Exchange Commission dahil may mga kumpanya po na namimeke ng dokumento. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.